and Seeker, third day's subject, that should be observed and made conscious. The grade of fire, in this school, will reflect knowledge of the nervous system and how it can be ignited, through sound, movement and vibration. The student will begin to observe that in each element there is a type of yoga, or union, and each other element is better defined and expressed in the other elements. Fire seems to be one of the first and most important elements. As we will see in our Kabbalistic studies, fire is connected to the Hebrew letter Yod, which is the seed letter that helps form all the others. Today we will be using Elias's videos to express basic concepts that can be learned from music, visual art and dance, as well as how rhythm and vibration connect the Hermetic laws. Again, we thank all people who are contributing their thoughts to each subject, as this is how a group can elevate together. Until next time, Seeker, peace profound.